Bodega Boys.
Pass me, yo, Mero, pass me the wire, the bolt cutters.
Yo, here.
All right, cool. Watch my back.
Look at that shit. I got the waterproof torch. We good.
All right, we good. Look around, safe. All right,
Yeah.
bro. I've been here so many times. I could walk this with my eyes closed.
Yo. Wait. Hold on. Yo, we gotta
Okay,
kiss the ground, bro. It's been It's been a long time.
Can't believe it's sacred Christ. On our birthdays, bro. Happy birthday, bro. Happy birthday.
Yo.
And where else?
Man. Yo,
Usually we go to Dallas BBQs and Bay Plaza, but this year, we at La Marina, baby.
La Marina. That's the vibe,
right.
dog. Yeah.
All right. We had to break in. It's all right. You know, security wasn't that tight, so.
But yo, you know
right.
what? Like back in the day, man, them outlaw raves, dog. This shit was about to pop the fuck
Exactly.
off.
Remember when they had when Drake just pulled up at South Street Seaport? How much fun that was?
Oh, they was throwing chairs.
Yeah, we need to do like that. How can we get we gotta let mad people know that we're here? Cause I don't want to do like a tweet. So, oh shit, everybody, yo, fuck that. Yo, let's go on IG Live and tell niggas to come through.
Yeah. Oh, let's go.
Let's go. I. Wait. Put the scarf on your face so they don't know it's us.
Oh yeah. I bet.
Yeah. All right. Cool.
Oh, this shit got the skull on it. Oh shit.
Oh yeah, that shit. Oh, shit.
Niggas don't even know this shit. Give it a Nerf gun.
Oh shit. Yo, my shit is an N95 mask, not because N95 is a good mask, but because that's when real hip hop came out. 95.
Yeah,
Remember that's good
95, 95.
Yo, hip hop.
Hip hop.
All right. Live IG started. All right.
Boom.
Yo, you know what it is? Yo, it's the birthday boys. Yo, we here, we live.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, we having a secret. We having a secret. I guess
You know what I'm saying?
Quinceañera, is that what it's called? Here at La Marina. We not even playing. Look, we're actually here at La Marina. It's not a Zoom green screen. Look.
Peep the sand.
Look, I got the sand fall through my head. We got the hookah. Yo, my man, DJ Hasan is pulling up. You see him right there? Yo. He got an external hard drive full of bangers on his back, and he's swimming with one arm.
Lit, bro.
That's dedication.
Yo, he got a whole terabyte of bad buttons.
That's dedication.
Lit.
Oh shit! Look,
man.
yo, look at Victor came through in the all-body swimsuit. Woo. My man, did you swim here from Brooklyn? Wow! Look at that! Love that right there.
Yo, this
So anyway, we out here, man. Yo, shout out to everybody. We got snacks, we got fried pig ears, you know what I'm saying?
All that.
Yo,
I
got the wild hot Jamaican soup with cassava in it if that's what you want to eat. You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying?
Oh shit.
There's a dude right there by the gate talking about he got sour. We haven't tried it yet, but he might be telling the truth, I think.
There's another dude over there. There's two dudes over there and they got flashlights. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Is that the cops?
Oh, that's 5-0?
Oh shit. Hey, who the fuck is Hey, put the phone down. Hey, get over here.
Whoa. Is that a pistol? Is that a pistol?
No, it's a phone.
Does Apple make pistols?
It's a phone. Oh shit.
It's an Apple. Is that an eye pistol?
It's a phone.
All right, put it down slowly on the floor, on the ground.
We gotta get out of here.
Yeah, we about to get clapped by this thing, man.
Oh my God, look over there. It's a black mother and her 3 kids, and one of them doesn't have a mask on.
Are you kidding me? One of these fucking moolin doesn't have a goddamn. Where is
They
he?
don't got a mask. Get the taser. Get the taser.
Oh, I'm gonna tase this bastard. Hey, where are you?
Mero,
where are
get
you?
him jet skis. Mero, get him jet skis. You gotta go.
Yo.
Hold on, you still got the IG live on it? All right. Yo, it's episode 203. You know what it is? Bodega Boys in the building. Birthday boys. You know what I'm saying? The vibes is good. You trying to get out of here, yo?
Yeah,
Yo, we out.
Yo, pop that bottle of Dom. Yo, we out.
Yo, how you start jet ski? Fuck that. We go. Do the drop.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Yo, it's the water's choppy.
Oh, there's choppies here? Yo, episode 203 of the world's most, the world's podcast with the lowest viral load, hopefully.
Yes.
That's not even related to Corona. You know, just saying we just out here.
No
you know the fucking vibes. No viruses. No, that's not true. I did have a virus on my Pentium. Like it was kind of embarrassing. I had to use Norton to get rid of it. You know, it was a shame.
Ooh,
you know, I had to like tell people on dates and stuff. Like
yo, you know what I always wanted to know? As a computer nigga, can you speak to this? Does Norton really have you by the balls, or is it just like scams? Is it just like yo? Is it just like the mafia shaking you down for protection money, or is it like legit?
You know, at one point, antivirus software was very important. And then, and this is a hot take from Desus. I know the podcast just started, but you know, DJ
Fuego.
At one point, Systematic and Norton were producing viruses themselves and charging us to buy their software.
Wow.
It's a fraud.
Open your fucking third eye, stupid.
Okay,
you know what I'm saying?
okay. That might be true. That might not be true. I don't know. But it's episode 203 of
That's a barbershop talk right there.
That's the barbershop answer, right? That's the barbershop was the original TED Talk. Don't ever forget that. Yo,
Thanks.
as always, shout out to Cash App. Shout out to my father and mother and Mero's father and mother for deciding that 9 months ago, before today, just blow that shit up, dog.
Like,
just
yo,
shoot the club up, nigga.
Yo, I'm
like,
fuck. Yo, I'm drunk off that fucking yo,
leave that shit in. My father was
Cavassier.
My pops drunk off that red nephew. Was like, yo, what's up? What's up with that cassava? Put on perfect team. Pussy and Cookie make the perfect team. What if your parents conceived you to whack Dak?
Yo.
What if it was like? What if like your mother was like, nigga, you finished? You serious?
Like, yo, I'm sorry.
Just
man.
tight. Then a couple weeks later.
What if that determines whether you're not a failure in life? If you were a strong nut, you're gonna be a winner. But if you are a weak nut, you're gonna be a loser in life.
Goddamn.
Damn.
What the fuck did Michael Jordan's pops do to his mother? Like,
don't get your froggy stuff.
I don't want like, god damn, that nigga was hitting it through corduroy jeans. Like, relax. No, it's true. But then that's even sad. If you are a failure in life, it's even sadder because you were a winner at one point. You were the sperm that beat all the other sperm to the egg.
Yep.
And then you got out and you was like, that's enough. That's enough. I ain't reaching for the stars no more.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, you mean I didn't shoot out the dick? I just like dribbled out? Oh, nah.
That's your biggest that's the biggest achievement in your life. You were the first sperm. Nothing else. Like when you get to heaven and they run through your life, everyone's gonna be like, yo, my mans.
Dog, you the Usain Bolt of sperm.
Wow, that was
the top of the top for you.
They're like, yo, fam, everyone here was the Usain Bolt of their sperm race. Like, it's not like you're the fastest sperm of all time. You were just the fastest sperm on field day. You know what I'm saying?
that day when they would have the walk-ons.
Anyway, I hope that provides you some inspiration to be better people. And you're probably like, you know what, Jesus, fuck you. As you probably are recording in the sneaker room, people have real life problems. I'm aware of that. And that's why you're listening to this podcast. Hopefully.
Self-aware. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? I haven't
Mero?
talked about my sprinklers at all.
I haven't talked about your what?
Sprinklers at all for a while. Even though it's not really, I feel like that's not really a flex anymore.
I haven't talked about it.
I've had it for a while. Although I want to publicly shame Heather for running one of the sprinkler heads over today.
With the car?
In the car.
Wow.
She was like, what was that? I was like, you just ran over a sprinkler head, my G. And it wasn't me. I was so hyped to just be the one that didn't run something over and fuck something up in the car.
How did she do that?
She was just backing out of the driveway. And you know what? Sometimes when you back out of a driveway and it has like the weird, like that kind of like border type shit, like those.
Oh
weird rocks.
Yeah.
She clipped that shit, and the sprinkler head was right behind it, and the sprinkler head was up and squirt, and was just like, I was like, woo! That shit looked like an open fire hydrant. I was like, yeeks!
Damn. Is that expensive to fix?
I have no idea. But, I mean, it's going to get fixed, nigga, because this shit looks like the great geyser of whatever the fuck right now. I'm like, hey, let's turn that shit off for a second.
This is why I'm envious of your life, because I got to sit here, and I have to watch King of Queens on TV. Meanwhile, you are living it.
Living King of Queens.
All right? We talked about this early. You are, what was the Spanish name for Doug Heffernan? You are Mero Heffernan?
Doug Hernandez Heffernan?
Yo, wow. I guess, does that make me deacon?
Yo, we do a podcast.
My eyes are getting weird tight. My eyes are getting weary. My back is getting tight. I'm sitting here in traffic on the Queensboro Bridge tonight, and all I want to do is get right back to you. Yo, cash my check and get back better you. Yeah.
You get home,
Like
you
you
walk
walk
in,
in-
ashtray like,
Like you walk in and instead of like Heather's at the door, you just give her, you put the wild hand in her face and just go right to
Jamie
the
Foxx shit, like, it goes right to the L, like, yo.
The king of the Bronx, bro. It could be a show. It could be a show.
Oh boy, I love it. Yo, enough of that. I'd be like, yo, he lives a pretty chill life. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Who?
I feel like he's never stressed. Doug Heffernan.
No. In some of the earlier episodes, you gotta remember they were like when it first started, they had like wild. They had they raised $7,000 because they had black mold in the basement, and they found out while they were on vacation, so they couldn't do anything else for the rest of the vacation. They had that issue. They've had some issues. Then excuse me, I just belched. Then there was when Doug, for example, when Doug bought a brand new Jeep because their car broke down at like a fast food spot, and then the same moment he was signing for the Jeep, his company went on strike. See, bro, they've been through some things, bro. They've been through some
imagine
things.
that happened. He started flipping packs.
Yo, listen. All right.
The UPS fan, he's like, yo, this is the perfect cover.
So wait, so it's King of Queens because Doug joins the Supreme team. Like he's just walking around with the wild dookie fat gold chain, hanging with Fat Cat and Poppy.
He's in every
Yo.
fucking flick, like doing the fucking rap squat and shit with the wild
Yep.
dookie rope. Like, yo, it was good. Yo, little Dougie Fresh.
Yo, Doug.
Yo, those two Dougie Freshes, yo, you know what I'm saying? One was from Queens, the other one was white nigga for Queens, the other nigga was from the Bronx, you know what I'm saying?
This nigga not even from Queens. Southside niggas don't hang with Doug Heffernan. Like, yo, what the
We like oil and water. We don't mix.
they saying Doug
50 was saying
Heffernan.
some wild shit on those mixtapes, bro.
Oh man, that was good mixtape. That was a good period of hip hop. Okay, the mixtape
man.
period. And then I say that because in my mind, people stopped making mixtapes, and then every younger person is like, "No, Jesus, you're just washed," and you're doing that thing that washed people do, where they stop listening to music past a certain year. Like, I'm not. Listen, if you make music. And at that time in my life, I had more than, I want to say, $10,000 in my savings account. I can't bang with you. I can't.
Bro, I got older nieces and nephews that look at my shit and I'm like, and are like, who the fuck is Un Casa?
Bro,
I'm like,
it's like that new.
you know about Un Casa, nigga? Two Gun Un?
Okay, all right. Shout to Devon and Lionel. Who was it? Lionel got back down at a house party, and Lionel got back. And we had Andre's car. It was Andre's girl's car, and he was like, "Yo, I had to drop Andre off at the Port Authority." And because he was going out of town, he was like, "Yo, take my girl's car back home. Just park it. Do not drive it." I was like, "Yeah, nigga. Like, I'm gonna drive a car." I was like, "I don't even got a license. Why would I drive a car?" Anyway, fast forward, I'm driving the car, and Lionel calls, and he's like, he's at a house party, and like the block we had beef with, mad niggas came through, and they was outside. They was about to come in, and he was looking like fool because he was chasing a girl. And then, he was like, "Yo, come through," and I got the burner, and I wasted a lot of time in the front of that car picking the perfect song on my CD-man that was playing to the cassette, to the aux cord. And I was like, what's the best song to pull up to? And I was like, Purple City Bird Gang. Okay?
What?
All right? Okay, imagine.
Clapping nigga music.
Okay, niggas knew what it was. When niggas seen that Ultima coming, all right, they knew. They got scared.
They see that window roll down, they're like, oh shit.
Oh,
they just
shit.
see that dun 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 dun.
Oh, good times.
We run the
Good times. I was about to say it's sad because coronavirus said house parties are canceled, but no, that particular house party would still be happening right now. Mm-hmm. That was a time and place where Jesus definitely would not have worn a mask and definitely would have believed the 5G conspiracy theory. And would have posted about it gleefully and argued with people online with doctored JPEGs that are clearly mislabeled and just cherry picking facts. Okay.
Niggas use that big black and white text.
Uh-huh.
Just like paste it over actual facts.
There you go.
I see what you did there.
My
pal.
bio would be like, it kills as many people as the flu. What are you worried about? Mm-hmm. No, I'm trying to think because I'm like, yo, when I worked at nightclubs, I'm like, would I have like, well, if the nightclub, all the nightclubs I worked at definitely would have stayed open. I remember one time in order to avoid the avoid a food inspection, we didn't turn on the lights. We just used candles because we knew the food inspector, no, not the health inspector that inspects clubs and stuff. We knew that they don't come to inspect. That at the time they would never come after 9 o'clock. So we opened the club at like 7 and just have the music mad low and have everyone using candles. Just be like, yo, keep your voice down till 9. And then at 9 we tell the DJ and he can turn everything up. And people were still in the club, and I was like, "Fam, we don't have a liquor license. Like, we don't have the food rating, and you guys are in here eating. They didn't give a shit. So, hey, y'all get what y'all are."
Yo, shout out to the whole Ludlow strip, because I definitely stole cigarettes from you at every single bar on that street.
I was thinking about that the other day. I wonder if because Piano's closed. I wonder a lot of those spots are not going to reopen.
That's wild.
Like a lot of places in New York, a lot of small businesses and stuff.
They're gonna be subways and shit.
Yeah, but even that, it's like you can't have 5 subways on one block. Like, also, by the way, I would like to make an announcement to all you child molesters. Please stop eating subways because there's no reason for there to be that many subways. Okay, I'm doing the math.
They're everywhere, dog.
They're everywhere. They're everywhere.
Everywhere.
When was the last?
You cannot go anywhere.
When was the last time you were just like sitting on a couch? You was like, yeah, I'm feeling. You know what? I'm feeling a little peckish for subways.
Yeah.
No, never.
I want a toasted Italian combo.
Okay, Subways is
herb bread.
The best time for Subways is when you're in a situation where there's literally no other food and you get it and you want to be mad at yourself while you eat it. Like, fuck. I should have planned better. Like, what
Subway's
is this shit?
so ill because, like, if you pull over anyway, if you on some type of road trip, and there's 2 food options, one of them is Subway.
Always. And it shouldn't be like that. It shouldn't be like
what
that.
What the fuck is going on here, dog? And that's really last ditch food. Like, yo, damn.
Listen, Subways,
I just want to go on the record as saying, if you get a tuna melt from Subway, you're a fucking different type of savage, dog.
That's not
you're a different type of savage.
You're not a savage. You're a monster. You are a monster.
You're a terrible person.
You're a monster. You're ugh.
And don't
Are you so familiar with the Subway menu, Mero?
Yeah,
Are you so familiar with the Subway menu?
I mean, listen, they got big pictures. You can see them shits from outside.
Oh God. I remember one time on a film shoot, we had to eat Subway. It was whack. Sorry, go ahead. What you saying, Vic?
No, my fault. I was gonna say, Subway did launch. What was it? Damn, Lawrence Fishburne's daughter's career. How quickly we forget how B Pumper.
He smashed on the Subway.
Nah, bro. Remember when Shorty first started doing Pinot? It was B Pumper like telling the world to get ready for her debut, and they were sitting in the Subway, fam. Look it up.
Wow.
Because you can tell, because you know how they have the big frame pictures of like tomatoes.
Wow.
This niggas have a big ass head of lettuce.
Yeah.
Where'd you get a 15 by 20
Iconic.
canvas?
Yeah, hold on. Let me set that as my background.
Wow, I like that. Susio Zoom boys. Remember, the point of Zoom is to make other people in the room as uncomfortable as possible. I don't care what HR says. So, you do what you want.
You popping?
Okay, if you got to do what you got to do. You got to do.
Wait for a good time, not a long time. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean? Like, sometimes a Zoom meeting is going to, sometimes you go in a Zoom meeting and you're like, yo, this does not need to be a meeting. Like, we could do better things. Other people are not paying attention. Mm-hmm. And, it's just like, Jesus, you don't got to do all that. So, just sometimes, just for fun, pull it out and, see what happens. I'm being told I'm being told to relax. And that I really shouldn't be telling people to pull it out. And Victor the Savage changed his background to the
B Pumper and
B Pumper. Wow, just disgusting. At the same time, I just want to say thank you. Just an amazing.
That is like 2.5 grams of fake jewelry on it.
This nigga wearing Campbell Soup's can.
Fam, that's like 2 skimpy 20 bags of coke worth of fucking jewelry. This nigga got on right now. That shit is embarrassing.
B Pumper.
I'm not even a jewelry
Pumper.
guy, despite what people may believe. I'm not even a jewelry guy.
Are you not a jewelry guy?
Not like that. The Cubans and the bracelets and shit is all an homage to my uncles and my dads and shit, because I was their whole swag back in the day, and they put me on the game. You know what I mean? Like my mom.
So you're never.
I was like street. I was.
Are we
like,
never gonna
smart.
see you? Are we never gonna see you a bigger chain? Or we never like say okay. Say the next deal. Say so because we number one show at late night.
Yes.
Shout out to Showtime, Desus and Mero. I don't want to brag. I don't want to boast. But something. If your show can possibly get better while shooting remotely during a pandemic, nigga.
Yeesh.
I'm just saying.
Just blow
I'm
my
saying.
tent.
So all I'm saying is, so say for example, because they're just like, wow, no one, you guys are amazing. You guys are the Nelson Mandela of late night. That's no hyperbole. That's true.
Facts.
And they pull they do the Yankees in 2008 when they drove the Brinks truck up to AJ Burnett's house and CC Sabathia's house. The fucking vibes. And say they do that.
Yeah.
Will we see you out here? Because the streets need this. I need to see you make a chain, and all 4 of your kids are represented in gems. And I don't mean some corny shit where it's like, oh, this is a diamond for my daughter. This is a ruby for Mero the Third.
It's like a nigga dribbling a basketball.
Exactly. I wanted to take at least 2 hours before each filming session because your jewelry is interrupting the microphone.
Like, the ballerina spins, yo.
Yo,
press a
wow.
button, she tap dances.
Are those Tim's yellow canary diamonds?
Well, yes, they are.
Wow.
Actually, goldenrod. They had to be special ordered.
Yeah.
How did they cut the little diamonds into Roblox? What's going on? Yo.
I mean, just, special order stuff, Yeah.
That's wild.
Certain people get certain things.
Love to see it. Love to see it.
Excuse me, my wife just ran over my sprinkler. I got to tend to that.
Sprinklers. Sprinkle them. Shout out to E40. Sprinkling them. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh, sprinkle on them. Yo, shout out to E40. Yo, because if E40 has all the right in the world to be the wild dickhead, but he never has been, and I feel like he never will be. Because that whole Biggie story, remember how the Biggie story where Biggie was like, they asked him like, yo, who are the wackest niggas ever on a scale of 1 to 10, and they asked him E40. He was like, and he gave E40 a 0. He was like, yo, he's terrible.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
And then they interviewed E40 after that. He's like, man, he was just tripping. Like, people do shit like that all the time. Like, you know what I mean? Like, he's probably just fucking around. And then I seen him after that, and it was all good, blah, 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 blah. And I was just like, wow. You know what I mean? Like, yo, you know what I'm saying? That's growth. You know what I mean? Because usually in the hood, you're like, nah, I'm going to fuck this nigga up. This nigga quit talking wild about me. Nah, I'm going to fucking clap this nigga. Fuck that.
Mm-hmm. I mean, that was more fun back then, though. You know what I mean? I like that. Like when you're older, you're like, I don't want these guys fighting. When you're young, you're like, yo, kill him.
Kill
him. When you're young, you want rap beef to end in murders. I'm sorry, it's not. You're not allowed to say that. But we listen.
At least somebody didn't get fucked up.
Fucked up. No. You want murder. You want murder. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. That first time I saw Snoop kick over the fucking Empire State Building.
Oh yeah.
I was like, electric chair. All right.
Oh, yeah,
so
get him out of here. Yo, it was wild too, because it was just like it could be one of the lesser members too, and I wouldn't even care. I'm like, yo, you know what I'm saying? Like if they killed the DOC or some shit.
Bro, I hated Snoop. I hated the Dog Pound. I hated all of them niggas. Fast forward to me getting Daz Dillinger's album, and I was like, yo, this shit goes? Like I'm in the library, like dancing to Corrupt. Like, girls all pause. Hey, yo. And then because I was a Susio boy, you know, I was on my Linux computer. And I downloaded the XXX version of Girls All Pause, and I watched it in like GMP Viewer or some wild app that was unnecessary. But yeah, and I was like, yo, those two girls are kissing on each other in the club.
Oh wow, that's kind of wild.
I was like, they do that in California?
Whoa, hey, I'm a man now. I got a pubic hair. Yo, it was fucking crazy. It was wild because I actually had dog food on cassette, and I was like, damn, this shit is hard.
Yeah,
I wanted to be like, yeah, this shit is whack. Fuck this trash. But I was just like, damn. The Nate Dogg shit, the let's play house.
Yeah, you know what? The first time I heard it, I was like, yo, this shit is whack. This shit is trash. This is some West Coast bullshit. Ain't nobody ever gonna play this shit. I bet you never hear this shit ever again. Then I walk away, I'm like, let's play house. Damn. They got me.
They got me.
And it didn't make any sense because the niggas was growing up. Remember Snoop's first album? I just remember everyone in the Bronx playing that. Where all my niggas and my bitches and my bitches and my niggas, throw your motherfuckers hands in the air. And if you don't give a fuck like she don't give a fuck, your motherfuckers is in the air. Just mad young on a bike riding through the neighborhood saying that like
nigga, I'm riding a bike like serial killer,
yeah. I'm like, you can't wait for the fucking Dr. Dre Ice Cube album, bro. I gotta go inside now. My mom made dinner. Like, yo, what the fuck? Yo.
That was some shit.
That was some
shit. God damn.
Doggy's, listen, young boy. I know. Listen, this has been my birthday, so I'm gonna tell you. So, Doggy style been popular for a while now. Mm-hmm. Now, you don't know. That's actually how you were conceived. I was in the room now. Now, see, the problem was like your mother. She had a long day, so she was on the side. She rode on her side, and your dad he was giving what we call back in the day weak dick. So now, I said, Papi Chulo, you listen. You're not giving her enough chuleta at all, my guy. Like you gotta give her that full pork. You know what I'm saying? You gotta give her that carne. You know what I mean? So that carne asada. You gotta put that in there.
Give her that churrasco.
Apparently, this is a documentary between our fathers talking about how we were both conceived. Because ESPN was like, listen, if they're watching Jordan documentary, get Victor on the phone. Get Victor on the phone.
Let's make it happen.
Listen.
Yo.
This is Sacha's like, Mero, what size bootcut jeans you wear? I'm like, wow.
No. They got me out here looking like homeboy.
Hasan's like, yeah, we're getting your cuffs. We're getting your cuffs on the microphone.
Yeah, they scrape every time you take a step. Yeah,
it literally sounds like you're in a regatta and you're trying to catch the wind. Like I don't know how much fabric is flapping there, but you need to like.
It's wild. It's wild. It sounds like a sailboat, dog. It is out of control. Yo, fuck. Yo, remember the Maurice Malone jeans that had the fucking metal on the bottom so that wouldn't happen?
This nigga said, remember. Like that's like asking Jesus if he remembers when they put nails through his hands. Remember, I lived it, man. I lived it. I had those with was it the Eastland loafers? Hey. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to look a little classy.
Yeah, we try to get into the club after this shit, stomp a nigga out, and do some graffitis, and then go to the club right after.
There you go.
Go to China Club with a full Dickie suit. Niggas like, the Superman guy.
You know what it was? You was chasing after a chick, and she was like on some upscale shit. And by upscale for Bronx people, I mean she knew how to read. And then like she took you somewhere. Like she was like, yo, come meet me at Star Food. And I'm like, what the fuck is Star Food? And she's like, it's on 2nd Avenue and 2nd Street. I was like, ain't no such place. I was like, all the city numbers end at 149. So what are you talking about?
That's it.
What do you do? That's where the after 149th Street, the Dragons get you. And she's like, no.
That's it.
She's like, no, the train.
It's the land of 125. I don't go there.
She's like, no. I was like, I don't have a passport. I can't go. I can't go to. How do you say it? Manhattan. Like I don't. I had to do Duolingo for like 3 months.
I remember, that shit was really. I remember going on that shit two ways. both ways was a fucking adventure. One was this is predates Uber and and in the Bronx in the hood there was no yellow cabs, so you had a call of service and it was the fucking people's choice, motherfuckers that let you smoke in the car, wild out, do whatever the fuck you want. You could do that. You could go that route if you had a little bread, or if not, you could just jump on the train. Either way, you're gonna wild the fuck out. You know what I'm saying? Because like if you're going from the Bronx all the way to downtown, something's gonna happen on the train. That's gonna be like, yo, son. I seen a dude. What did he do? There's too many instances, bro. When you're on the train at like 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, and like the trains are coming every 25 half an hour, and you get on the car and it's just that one dude.
Whoa. Does one of your family members work for the MTA? In what world does the train come every 25 minutes at night? The train come when the train come, all right? Sometimes the worst thing was like when you get down there on the platform and you ask the person, you be like, yo, how long you been waiting? And they be like, yo, 40 minutes. And you like, shit. Damn. You can't even complain because that other person's been waiting longer than you. Because now you're like, damn, I've been waiting 10 minutes. They're like, oh, really? Oh, wow. Really? Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Must be nice.
Wow, I'm sorry. You want me to sit down?
10 minutes delayed.
Oh, Oh, sorry. Oh, I didn't know we were riding the train with the Queen Elizabeth. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, shit. You know what? I'm feeling lightheaded, but maybe you should sit down here.
Yeah, you know what? Kid. You know what? Matter of fact, I'm going to jump on the tracks and run to the next station to see if a train is coming. Also, shout out to the worst feeling. I still remember this vividly. This is one of the worst feelings in the world as a New Yorker. You are just tired. You just want to get home. You go to the end of the platform. You look down the tunnel and you see a train coming. And then it just stops. It just stops in the tunnel. No explanation given. No announcement. It's right there. Make it even worse.
Still says the same amount of time. All that shit.
Let's make it even more dramatic, even worse. That train is a local. And it's one of those weird situations where you can see the express track in the middle. And you just see express train after express train after express train pass up that middle. And you can't get any of those express trains. Why? Because your fucking bitch-ass local train is in that fucking tunnel. And you over there cursing. And you like, fuck this, I'm going to buy a car. I'm paying to live like this. How much a city bike? And then the train comes into the station. But then the train goes to the next station where you can transfer to an express. But because for some reason the express next to you is going 35 miles per hour, your train wants to drop down to 34 miles per hour. Oh, yeah, which means that the express gets in the station before you, which means by the time you're pulling up, the express has the doors open.
Yeah, and it chews your book bag off.
And then when the doors open on the local, you try to run across the platform, the express doors close, and they pull off, and you're like, fuck.
Fuck.
And then, depending on how,
and you just so happen to be in the car that has a conductor, and he's hanging out the window like, stupid.
And now, because you're so mad, you hook off, hit the conductor, didn't realize that's a felony, and now you got 7 years in prison. Hate to see it. It's like that show Dave. Shout out to Little Dicky. That show's amazing. Your music is not really good though, but. Actually, he can rap, but it's not my type of rap. So, but it's check it out. It's a good show, y'all. Y'all enjoy it.
You know what I would say? There's people that are technically good rappers. Like niggas like Logic and Eminem and shit, and they're technically good rappers. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like the whatever the fuck you want to call it, cadence. You know what I mean? Breath control, all that shit. They're great at that. What they're not great at is making a song that makes me want to be like, yo, this shit is fire.
Well, the problem with Dickie, from the little I've heard from Dickie, he has some great flows and cadences and some stuff. Like his ability to get in the pocket of the beat is pretty amazing. Like it works for him. It works for him. There's rappers out there. There's different, like you're saying. There's the technical rappers, and then some technical rappers you really fuck with hard, like Pharoah Monch. Like, come on. His shit, Organized Confusion, when it first dropped, niggas was like, yo, this shit, like when I first heard it, it was like, yo, this is wild off
What's this
beat.
Weird shit?
Like, this is weird. These beats are like trash. But then once you got into it, it was like banging. LP Company Flow.
I was about
there
to
you
say,
go,
yeah, Company
Jinx.
Flow. Yep.
There you go, Little Johnny at the hospital. That was a bang. That was an instrumental. That was an instrumental album for all my hip hop heads, bro.
Yo, for my yo, I throw a little something out there for you. A little peanut butter wolf.
Oh, there you go, bro. Oh, whoa, bro, stop it. I'm gonna get a chub and knock this mic over, bro. You're talking real hip hop.
Bro, I got Cage movies for the blind on vinyl, bro.
Wow, bro. I need you to relax, bro. Okay? Because, I mean, if you keep going, I might have to bring up some Latif, the truth speaker. All right?
Yo,
you want that?
Shit.
You want
shit.
Bro, you want the soul sides? Huh?
Yo, we're gonna do a wash battle. Oh, these niggas doing battles. Let's do a wash battle.
We do a wash battle. We just do wash track against wash track. Yeah, bro.
Like,
oh, wow, bro. I really appreciate that. But how about a little King Just? Hey, y'all, ho. You want that, huh?
Bro, I got you right
that?
now. Little Alfurai whirlwind through cities.
Oh, wow. Wow, I see that. That was a deep cut, and that was a banger back in the day. But it'd be a real shame, if I played a little, I don't know, Broadway must stay paid. Oh, you want that?
Oh shit!
I don't want to have to do that to you, bro. I don't want to have to do that to you.
Like two old heads and shit instead of beefing. Like, yo, remember that shit? Yo, remember we was that motherfucking skate key. This shit dropped. Oh,
niggas remember they played this shit at Envy? Yo, remember that?
Ooh,
like, we're mad amped, and I'm like, yo, just want to thank all 29 of y'all watching this IG live. You know what I'm saying? We definitely coming for those Tekashi records. You know what I mean? Like, yo,
we'll do a wash battle if you niggas
if you guys want it.
50,000 people say they want a wash battle. We'll do a wash battle.
Okay. Cause I'm gonna end Mero with Mad Lion 9 on my mind.
Whoa.
All right. Y'all not ready for this?
Whoa.
Yo. What you want, 9? Mad clip from my arm.
9. And my name is polite and I need.
I be damned if I do and damned if I don't. Sometimes I will and sometimes I won't. He was riding in a car around the Bronx.
With no doors.
And we were like, yo,
this shit is ill. How'd they get the camera up there?
Did he get that from Bronx Toyota? Did he just have a home address, a bank account, and a pay stub? Wow.
Yeah. And he had Shorty in there looking mad annoyed and shit. Like,
like, why is this guy shooting another video?
God damn it.
Oh man. Good times, bro. Good times. If you want the Wash Trizax versus, it's gonna be awkward because like said artist is gonna be in there, and not. This is how you know you are an official OG veteran legend New York City rapper if your name is still your rap name but you're not verified. That's it right there.
Facts.
That is it right there. Your favorite rappers are not verified. I'm sorry to tell you this for all my Wash people.
Sorry, y'all. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I know you thought X-Clan was verified, but they're not. You know what I'm saying?
It's like the other day I came across Big Noid's Instagram. Big Noid's still out here. Yo, shout out to Big Noid.
Yo, not verified?
I don't think he's verified. No.
But then Tony Sunshine not verified. I was like, wow, disrespect. Niggas platinum.
It's crazy, bro. And then it's just like other people. It's just like people was like, yo, my father's Big Noid, and like everyone's like, I don't know who that is. They just gotta reach the right person because let Big Noid walk in a room and it's me and you. Fam, you would think Hove walked in the room, bro.
Yo.
I'd be like, is that the nigga that made Recognize and Realize?
Yo, my beeper can't beep it.
Yo. And Recognize and Realize Part 2. Wow. Wow, Big Noid. Like, we would stand out so hard, he'd get annoyed. Yeah, maybe that's why his name is Big Noid.
Noid. He'd be like,
whoa.
That's enough.
Whoa.
He's like,
also, shout out to Big Noid. Shout out to Big Noid because we were wilding at Grant's Tomb. Shout out to my people from 110 on the east side of Harlem. And we were at Grant's Tomb, and there was a girl, and I remember it was really hot because my boy, we were youngin' and thuggin', and his thing, he did the Bronx thing. No, he was from Harlem, so his thing for meeting girls was to just grab their hands, which is not cool. Man. You can't do that.
2020, you can't do that.
You can't do it. But niggas ain't know back then. Like, and then he was older than me. So I'm like, I wasn't the one doing it. He was doing it. And like, so he did that to Shorty. And she was like, don't fucking touch me. You don't know who I am. And he was like, yo, I'm just trying to holler at you. And she was like, don't fucking play with me. I will have my baby father come here and shoot you niggas. And I was like, and he was like, who the fuck is your baby father? And she was like, Big Noy. We was like, yo, for real? Yo, for real? Like, could you call them anyway? Like,
yo, tell him to come through.
Yo, tell that nigga come through. That nigga got the wild verse, nigga. Yo, I rap. Like, yo, let me spit a track for that nigga, yo. Like, yeah. And she also lifted her arm. She had it like tattooed on her arm. So he was like, oh, because back in the day, if you were a rapper's baby's mother, if you had the rapper's name tattooed on your arm, that was a verified check. The same way Twitter works now.
That's a fact.
That's true.
That is a 1,000% fact.
Okay.
If you were like you guys' baby moms or some shit, you were certified.
Okay.
You know what I'm
saying? Like, if I'm not you guys' baby mama, look at this tattoo. Okay, it says Tommy Mottola lives on his own. Okay, I got the whole fucking verse right there. You feel stupid, motherfucker.
Now let me get my Lucy on credit.
Yo, Lucy's on credit. That's actually the name of our improv group. It's me, you, Victor, Victoria, Di, and Hasan. We have a group photo coming out. We're all wearing pink and purple turtlenecks and no shoes.
Boom.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
It's big.
Art.
It's big 1980s energy. It's like remember you see those pictures? It was like Billy Crystal, Woody Billy Crystal, Whoopi Goldberg, and who was the third one? It was
like fucking Ted Danson or some shit.
Oh no, what's his name? Jumanji guy, Doubtfire. Robin Williams. Yeah, and they'd always be doing charities, and they'd have like red noses on, and like they'd have on a trench coat, or like they'd have like the microphone around their neck, like it was hanging them, and they're like and you're like, oh, that's so whimsical. I can't wait till we get to that wash part of our career.
Oof, that's so.
Oh my god, wait till we're in like off Broadway. We're in Broadway plays and shit. Like
that's the type of stuff that'll make a Steve bust a nut because you get paid, but it's like the wild tax write off.
Yeah,
it's a charity.
Yeah. Shout out to you just dropping Steve's name as if anyone other than me, you, Victor, and like 4 other people know who the fuck that is.
I mean, I feel like the Bodega have is smart enough to use context clues. You know what I'm saying?
Maybe here's a hint. Maybe as 2 people who used to commit crimes, what I learned was you don't want to leave clues. So maybe to quote Skank from the Ben Stiller show that ran on Fox very shortly.
Oh shit!
Maybe you shut your stinking trap.
I'm firmly out of the underworld, B.
You truly what?
So good. I'm firmly out of the underworld. I'm so glad.
Well, see, that's the problem. You're not. Yeah. See, here's the thing. If you remember how the underworld works, the underworld's looking at you. And in real, like the division said, like there's more, there are people now who maybe, and like I'm not even being funny here, there are people right now who would commit a crime because their lives have changed so dramatically in the last 2 months that they're in a position where it's not really something they ever thought they'd have to do, but kids gotta eat.
Yo, niggas will eat your ass.
I mean, I'm talking about niggas like running up on niggas now. Like shit is niggas. I'm not worried about anyone cooking me. This is not an A24 film. I'm not worried about that. No one's putting plane tickets in front of my door that I get on the plane and I'm like, oh my god, what's going on here? All these sexy girls want to sleep with me. What's going on?
Whoa.
What's that red candle right there?
Whoa. Yo, nah, you know what's wild shit though? I feel like we talked about it in the last episode a little bit too, but like on a different tip. Like when you grow up in the hood, like shit like that becomes kind of like normal, and then when you leave the hood, people are like, nah, that's not normal. You know what I'm saying? Like niggas running down on you and jumping you and like putting a gun in your grill and all that type of shit. That's not normal at all. Like, and
I mean that happens.
That
happens outside the hood too, though, man. That happens. That happens. There was I forgot. Oh, damn, I wish I had the actual details, but there was a guy that they tried to rob somebody, and the reason was it was 2 guys that worked together. He had went to the guy's house, and when he went to like I guess go to the bathroom, he went to the wrong room. He ended up going into a closet or some shit like that. He saw a box, and it had something like $200,000 in it. He waited 20 years to come back and try to rob this guy. He didn't work with the guy anymore. He had moved away. and then they caught it on a Nest Cam, and he ended up getting. Well, you know what happened? You guys could Google it, but let's just say he got more than he thought, because apparently at some point in 20 years, the guy with the 200K decided, you know what? I'm also gonna buy a handgun, and well, you know. Bada bing, bada bing, bada boom. Now your funeral's on Zoom. You know what I'm saying? The old Italian saying. You know.
It's quiet.
Also, real quick, for those of you in the Desus Nice movie gang, I would like to invite you to watch The Invitation. It was a good movie. I enjoyed it. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Got some good things going on in it. You know. Here's a movie I don't want you to watch: Scarlett Johansson and Under the Skin. That's literally one of the worst movies I've ever seen. It's bad. Does your son like titties?
Yeah.
Do any of your kids, they like titties? Okay, so imagine imagine your kid writing a movie about Scarlett Johansson. It's like, yo, she's naked all the time, and like she's always like showing her boobs, and like she's killing guys, and like there's like a guy on a motorcycle
Just
who's
killing
like mad
motherfuckers
cool.
naked?
Yeah, but it's not cool. It's not fun. It's not like Kill Bill. It was
I want to see that just to see it. I don't think I've ever seen a movie where somebody killed like butt nilsy like.
Bro, it's even worse. What happens is like it's not a spoiler because the whole movie can't be spoiled because it's so weird. Like she's walking, and like the guy is like walking because also they show a lot of dicks in this movie. I have no idea. It's supposed to be in like Ireland. It's too cold for everyone to be a wreck like that. Like calm down. So the guys are walking with their potatoes out, and as they're walking, they're like doing a little boogie. And she's doing like a little boogie, and as they get closer to her, like a black goop, they sink into it.
What?
So you can't even beat your meat to it. It's just weird.
And that's how they fuck? By sinking into the black goop?
They never fuck. She's just killing people.
Wow.
Yeah. You see the movie, because right now you're like, Jesus, you're giving spoilers. You're going to be like, wow, Jesus isn't giving any spoilers. And you're also going to be like, wow, Jesus warned me. Why did I waste my time? So...
Yeah, no, because like I like watching some bad movies because there's like some redeemable qualities about some bad movies, or some bad movies are so bad that they're fun. You know what I'm saying? But like if a movie's just bad, like just bad writing, bad acting, bad directing, I'm just like, nah, I'm good.
Well, see, it was one of those movies where like it's so weird, just like what's gonna happen, and then you get to a point where it's just like, I kind of don't care what's gonna happen, but I've invested too much into this movie, so I have to just see it through. Like a lot of relationships, you know what I mean? Like like it's just let's call a spade, baby. Let's call a spade. Sometimes that's what it is. But so I got to that, and at that point, a movie is no longer fun to watch. It becomes an obligation, and that's when you hate things. If you're doing something because you don't want to do it. And because at the same time you're like, I don't really want to go on Wikipedia and see how it ended. And then you look and it's like, oh, there's like 10 minutes left. And you're like, all right, fine,
I'll watch it.
Fine. But yeah, they got some bangers, bro. They got some.
I'm gonna start. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna actually start plowing through these screeners, B, so I could actually know what niggas are talking about.
Yeah, they're good. They should check them out. Like I keep telling you, start with the Safdie brothers. Good Time, bro. That movie is so fucking good. Robert Patterson, our Albanian homie. You're. Saw you at the Knick game.
Albanian,
you know what I'm saying? Throw up the double eagle, cuz. Yo, you know what I'm saying? Catch us running a pizzeria on Marshallu. You know what I'm saying? Blasting Mad Rita Ora. You know that. Using the N-word way too much. Wow.
You feel me? Speaking of Albania, shout out to my guy Freaky who came home after a very long break.
When did he come home?
Almost last month, like a couple weeks ago. You know what I'm saying? And he's out here, and it's funny watching him use Instagram because he's just like, yo, like he'll start talking like after the shit. Like he's catching up. He's catching up though. That's my guy. You know what I'm saying?
Shout to Freaky. Shout to Freaky.
Freaky back. He got and it's funny because it's like the first entire half of his post is all the jail flicks, all the jail Polaroids. And you and your man's like, yo, you know what I mean? Like,
you know what? It's kind of cool that you shouted him out on the podcast, but we got to do better than that. I'm thinking we do a vaudeville salute to him. I'll get on the piano. We do some burlesque. It'd be great.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Freaky. He's home from the peds. Shout out to Freaky. In the shower, he never gave head.
forever. Held it down.
Out here on these streets. Out here on the streets. He's getting all these bitches. This is freaky. That nigga never snitches. Send your man a kite today, or I'll tell you. Eat up, pump those weights, and CEOs will give you good times for all my lives. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Freaky.
Hey, thank you, everybody. Thank you. I had CEOs bringing cell phones to myself.
Up next, we're going to have some improv comedians tell you about Rikers. It's going to be good. Yeah, bro. Also, no, but again, back that A24 movie, good time. Shout out to A24. A lot of the characters in their movies could easily, and shout out Victor, you can agree with me on this. They're easily from this podcast. All their characters, everyone on their shows, everyone in their movies is like wild, fucked up, or on pills, or kill somebody, and I'm sitting there and I'm like,
listen, when you're indie, you got to keep that budget down somehow,
bro.
Nobody's a superhero. Nobody's blowing up cars. We keep it nice and easy and dysphoric, maybe.
Mero, they had a movie called Low Tide. Listen to this. It takes place in the Jersey Shore. It's basically Michael Anthony and his friends robbing houses. It's the most It's the most amazing thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, and that's why, like, that's low key. That's why I fuck with them so hard, because it's like they're like New Yorkers. They're like New Yorkers that like kind of, but they're familiar with Jersey and shit like that. So like niggas like us that have been around the tri-state, I moved around OT a lot, bro. Like I was up, like not living, but like hustling and running around and doing whatever. Like I was up in Connecticut a lot. I was up in Jersey a lot. So like catching those references is ill to me. Like, and catching like a Michael Anthony type dude in the middle of Jersey is just like, yo, this is so perfect. Like this guy belongs here. You know what I'm saying?
Well,
like Fruit 4.
I mean, listen, bro. Like, you know, there's a lot of Michael Anthonys, bro. There's a Michael Anthony in everybody.
You know.
Sometimes I mean, yeah, you gotta allow your inner Michael Anthony. You know what it is. You gotta
at least once a year. You gotta shoot a hot.
At least once a day. At least once a day, bro. At least once a day. Like people don't know, bro. Like. Sometimes I feel like he is me. Sometimes it wants to be Michael Anthony. Like Mike. If I could be like Mike, I wanna be like Mike. I gotta be like Mike.
He's like, don't fucking be like me, bro. Just give me $5.
Fuck that.
Get the fuck out of my face,
Fuck
bro.
that. Sometimes I dream that Julio picks up. You got to see, that's how I dream to be. I dream I move. My guts, they groove. Like Mike, if I could be...
My guts
Fuck
hurt.
it. Fuck. Hey, Ma, close the door, you fucking bitch. I'm recording. Michael Anthony. Michael, you can't use that song. It's exclusive property of Gatorade.
I don't give a fuck Gatorade.
Michael, you're gonna get another cease and desist.
I don't care. What has Gatorade ever done for me? I had to switch to Pedialyte when I was fucking withdrawing. The shit was fucking garbage, bro. Gatorade has too much sugar.
Last time you OD'd at 9 o'clock this morning, Gatorade got you through it, Buster. And for the record, I don't appreciate you ODing during the reel, okay? I really love Sherry Shepherd, I think is her name. She's really good. She's the
It's Lonnie Love, you fucking cunt. It's fucking Lonnie Love.
Whatever.
Fuck is wrong with you?
I'm just watching TV until Judge Mathis comes on. I want him to give Mike Butthole some
You're a
crackhead
fucking
behavior.
incel, bro. That's what you are, bro.
I don't know what that word means. I don't know what that word means.
You know what?
You know what?
Because I'm woke now. I'm woke now. So, like, I don't even got to get dope from Julio anymore.
You know what?
I could just go to, I could just go like downtown and shit and get dope.
I'm using the Headspace app now, Michael Anthony. So guess what? I'm going to imagine incel means beautiful. And I will enjoy the rest of my day, okay? Stay the fuck out of my purse. Stay the fuck out of my purse, okay?
Yeah, whatever, you fucking little teeny cunt.
Excuse you? Excuse me?
What? Yeah. Dog, you can't hit me. I'm big now.
Yeah, no one's going to hit you. I don't need to hit you. Just tell all your friends you snitch. You son of, whatever. Get out of here.
Oh, wow. All right, you know what? I'm going to call Dad. Dad's always cooler than you, and he got guns.
Yeah, okay. So I'm sorry if that confused some of y'all. That was a trailer for the new Pete Davidson movie. Be sure to go see it. You know what I'm saying? It is out there. It is available, I believe, on demand, like very soon. Shout to him. Shout out to the homie Carly Aquilino. You know what I'm saying? She out here. She's in that movie too. From our illustrious former show, Geico, that we were on for 20 seconds. 20 seconds.
If that.
They were like, if you meet a girl and you really like her, what do you do? And everyone else was like giving wholesome answers. They was like, you DM her. You tweet at her. It was like, you get her pregnant.
Yo,
like,
literally.
Shit.
I was like, yo, you gotta
right.
get pregnant, yo. You really fuck with her, you get her pregnant, nigga. Where's she going?
I was like, okay.
They were like, yeah. Don't know if you use that. You want to give it another pass?
No, they wouldn't even. They just laughed. They just laughed because they knew they were gonna edit the shit out of that. Like, oh god, so good, so good.
I feel like they don't delete shit, bro. So that shit might be sitting around somewhere in some file cabinet of us saying the wildest shit on the planet on MTV.
But you know what the problem is? They won't be able to use it. Because of like licensing or some bullshit, that's what people don't understand. I see a lot of people on Twitter and they're just like, "Oh my god, why doesn't MTV just show this, or why doesn't MTV show Rune Raiders or show Quiet Library?" Guess what? That's not how life works. It's not just because you make a show doesn't mean you own it and can just show it again. Like things change, properties change, who has the rights to what music, what licensing, all types of things change, bro. Life is hard. Yeah. A lot of you are like, yo, I could be a better network exec than this person. In 95% of network execs, that's true. That is true. All you have to do is know how to find Peppa Pig on TV, and you'd be a better network exec than most people. But for the network execs that do know what they're doing, it's hard work.
Yeah, bro. You got two type of network execs, bro. You got like, I'm gonna put this in like a baseball analogy. You got like dudes like Adam Dunn, and then you got dudes like Ichiro Suzuki. You know what I'm saying? Like a dude like Adam Dunn will come.
Okay, before, not to cut you off, I didn't know we were gonna use wash references, but continue, because everyone listening has to pause this and it's like, hey, pop. Yeah. Remember your dad, can you hear me? That is FaceTime. It's FaceTime. You have to look at the camera. You have to look at dad. You have to look at the camera. Suzuki. There was a player named Suzuki.
I don't care. I can hear you. Go ahead, talk. I can hear you. Go ahead, talk. No,
Dad, there was a player named Ichiro Suzuki. Dad.
Yo, but that's
Dad, I don't. No, Dad, don't say what. Dad, don't. I don't want to hear about the Vietnam War. That has nothing to do with this. Just answer the question, Dad.
Yo, this dude's that'll fucking get you a hit after hit after hit after hit after hit, and then there's guys that'll fucking come out and get you a home run, but they'll do it once every fucking 8 at bats. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like,
wait, hold the fuck up. I know that was not Ichiro slander.
No.
Oh, okay.
Ichiro was up there. Ichiro's getting on base. If the man is stepping to the plate, he's getting on base. Like he'll hit a single, he'll hit a double into the gap. He might hit a home run. He might hit a triple.
What is Adam Dunn in this? Is Adam Dunn the scrub?
He's the guy who will hit a wild home run, like, you know what I mean, with dudes on base, but then like the other 4 at bats, he's striking out. You know what I'm saying? So like there's value there, but it's not like that.
What was his OB? It's like, all right, yeah, he was a 490 slugging. All right, okay, all right. Okay.
You know what I'm saying? He
1168 RBIs. All right. Not sure. I have some questions about why. You know what? I'm not even gonna hold my tongue. Why in the fuck would you use a non-Yankee reference? Like, do you know what this podcast is?
Because I'm not trying to. I don't want to bring the Yankees into this at all.
No, it's always the Yankees, bro.
Because you know what it is. I'm biased, and I will never say. I will tell you right now with a straight face that Derek Jeter is the greatest shortstop of all time, no bar none.
Hi, Kid Mero here. Kid Mero, we're muting you in the Zoom meeting. You were fucking wilding. I'm sorry, you were wilding.
I'll say it. You can tell me, who's the best second baseman of all time? I'll be like Robinson Cano. You'd be like, yo, who's the best shortstop? Jeter. You know what I'm saying? Who's the best third baseman? A-Rod. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, I
Right
don't need
now,
you
I'll
to
be like,
lie.
yo,
I
Gary
don't need
Sanchez
you to
should have been
lie.
Rookie of the
I
Year.
need you to remember the highlights of the Yankees. See, that's the thing about lie. It's creative lying, my God. You don't have to lie. You just cherry pick good things. Like this is what kind of thing you say. Remember, like when people was just like, "Oh, Yankees da da da," you be like, "Oh my God." Remember when Melky Cabrera hit for the cycle and then he robbed Johnny Damon for that home run, and people were like, "Oh shit, he did both of those." They forget all that other stuff he did. Also, I believe he dropped the Mama Wavo when he when he hit the triple for the cycle.
Yes, he did. And that's what I love about baseball. I feel like they haven't caught up yet because it's like still mad old white dudes in charge. So they're like, oh, he's just excited. Let him be excited there.
For those of you who don't know, I'm black, but even I know what that means. So I'm like, whoa, what's going on here? Like he can't say that. Can he say that? Is that a rules? Should we, when baseball comes back, we should allow them to use
It's one of those weird words that like it could be super foul, or if you wanna like try to reach, you could be like, yo, cause you know how people used to be like, suck an egg, like on some like 1920 shit. You could say you're saying that, you know what I mean? But the real shit is like, yo, you're a fucking cocksucker, my guy. You know what I'm saying? Like that's the real actual meaning of the shit. I feel like if people want the way people use it.
Okay, that's a little homophobic, but we gotta.
But everybody sucks cocks. You know, cocksucking is like, I don't king shame. You know what I'm saying? I mean, if you do, you don't. If you do, you do, and do your thing.
That's not everybody suckers the cock. You know what I mean?
No. I'm not saying everybody does. I'm just saying if you do your thing. Who cares?
Oh yeah.
That's not my business.
If you listen, if you are deep throating the glizzy, deep throat the biggest glizzy you can, my guy.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Just
what the fuck, bro?
Go out there, bro.
You know what I'm saying? That's what I be like. Yo, do your thing. Like rep your set, bang.
There you go. It's like gangs. Rep your set.
Yeah. Rep your set, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
Be proud of who you are. Do your thing.
Right.
Let people know.
Bang that LGBTIA flag. Is it on the left side? Yeah. All right. Well, wait, no. Left side is Crip side, right side is Blood side. They could do it on the left side, right?
Yeah.
You can do it either side.
On the other side. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Thanks to Snoop for reminding me of that.
Should the rainbow flag become a gang symbol now?
That'd be dope.
Yo, imagine if gay people just started going around bashing straight people on some payback shit.
Yo, that'd be wild. You know what I'm saying? It'll be lit. You know what I'm saying? If they
I don't think that would be. I don't think that solves anybody's problems. I think there might be a problematic light there.
Yo, more fighting, more violence. Nah, man, stop fighting, man. Just chill out, bro. Let's get over this virus shit and just go back. Try to get back to some kind of normalcy, which is probably gonna be impossible after this. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Shout out to everybody that shout out to all my media people that lost their jobs this week. That shit is fucked up. I remember when I worked at. I remember being a writer, and I remember it was just like you just knew you would get fired at like they would just lay off whole like sections of departments and stuff. And then also people who were writers, like them niggas love writing. Like it wasn't just like, you know how you have a job and you have people that's just like, yo, this is just a check. You can't be a writer and be like, yo, this is just a check, because then you're not gonna, like no one's gonna read your shit. Yeah, you gotta love it.
If you don't love doing that shit, then it's not gonna work for you.
And then sadly, most writers would work for free if it was possible, but because of the way freelance works, they do end up working for free, and then they get their check like 6 months later when they needed it 5 months ago. Listen, I've been there.
Talk about it.
Been there. I don't know. We might have to. Is that the next thing the brand got to do? Should a brand start a magazine and just like post people's poems and like deep dives and stuff?
My feeling is that you don't just start a magazine. Yeah, you start a zine first. You start a zine. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? On some DIY shit.
Yeah.
Just have Diane Victoria's do all the fucking work and shit. Be like, yo.
We could do that because remember,
as high as possible and do the artwork.
Remember, John Kennedy Jr. had George. Remember that? He had his little magazine. And then Damon Dash had America magazine. When was the last time a rapper dropped a magazine? We need to bring magazines back, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but not PDFs. A PDF is not a magazine. Okay.
Yeah, nah. I mean, but I feel like we would have to have PDFs too.
No,
Just to keep up
we gotta
with the
do.
times.
We gotta do it like One Nut or Murder Dog, and we gotta make the magazine only available in very specific hip hop, real hip hop locations. So you're gonna have to go to Moody's Records on White Plains Road to get the latest issue of Sushio.
You gotta go to Vic's Music Hut. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, to get the latest issue of our new magazine, Voice of the Sushio People.
Word.
Boom.
You know
There
what
we
I'm
go.
And we drop quarterly.
Quarterly.
You know what I'm saying?
But we drop heavy loads.
Ah.
So yeah, you know what I'm
feel
saying?
me? Should come through feeling like a Spiegel catalog.
And then also, so people remember it, we're gonna do what Vibe magazine did when it first came out, and be like wild oversized, so you couldn't keep it with other magazines. And it gave you like the wild problem about, yo, where am I gonna keep this big ass magazine? It's bigger than Double XL. It's bigger than the Source. I can't keep it in the pile of magazines over here. Yo, this is crazy. I can't even read this on the train.
You gotta put it on the
Can't say crazy. Able to store. Sorry. You know, backtracking in the quarantine. We're working on it.
You can't even zip your book bag around the shit.
Nope, you gotta ball it up like you're playing Paperboy. And then finally, I guess someone at Vibe was like, yeah, oh, you know how we're not using 8.5 by 11 paper? Yeah, apparently it's costing us a lot of money. So we're gonna shrink this fucking magazine. But it was too late.
It's too late for fucking Vibe.
It's too late. Maybe I was printing on a big piece of paper.
That's big Molly energy music right there.
Oh yeah,
you burst into tears off of Molly, off of Bean.
Even worse was like the original song was kind of dramatic and had all the chords and stuff. All the club remixes.
Oh my god.
All the club remixes made you want to pull out your Star Tech and call your ex. Yeah, bro. She's one of the 10 numbers you got saved. Yeah.
Fam, I remember when the Star Trek first came out, I went to Jimmy's Bronx Cafe with that shit, bro. I thought I was the man. I thought it was
This nigga said
Pablo.
Jimmy Bronx Cafe.
Hell yeah, throwback.
Did you go on like college night? Or what night did you go?
I was dumb young. I went on teen night with the Celly, and everybody was like, yo, who is this dude? And the Durangos with the leather jacket.
Wow.
I thought I was doing it.
Wow, this guy was out there, bro. This guy was out there. I remember, yo, fam, like I was doing the math the other day. Like, shout out to my cousin Dre, and he was like, "Yo, remember we used to go to Envy on Sunday night?" And like Envy on Sunday night, for those of you who aren't allowed to get off your porch because y'all wasn't running the streets, Envy on Sunday night was a different club. Envy in New York City was different because going to the club on Sunday night was an official fuck you to having gainful employment. Okay, there's no way you could have a good job and be in the club until 4 a.m. on Sunday night. So it was nothing. It was nothing but chicks that were scamming, chicks that dated drug dealers, chicks that dated scammers, guys that were scamming, guys that dated drug dealers, guys that, it was like wild. You'd be out there. We'd pull up, and I remember we'd have to get there at least half an hour early because you had to stash whatever you had on you. There were flower pots around the corner for the buildings, like around it. There was I think the FDNY museum was around there, some other stuff, and they had these big concrete flower pots, so you could just stash the burner inside the flower pot and go into the club. And then if it popped off when you came out, you got the burner and got back on the train. But then we got in good with security, and they were, because it was also my cousin's party, and ding ding, and then you could be in the club with the burner. And then when you're in the club with the burner, you act like an asshole. That's when you start harassing people and starting fights and mushing niggas, because you know.
Like, yo,
because you're like, hey, you turn to the mask, you're like, somebody stop me, yeah.
Smoking.
I remember we was in there and Anthony Mason came through, bro. And I was like, we gotta get out of here.
This dude's gonna get drunk and punch somebody.
He was waiting to slap somebody. I was like, nah, we chilling, bro.
I'm good, bro. I'm not getting slapped by that mitt. That
also
nigga was big as fuck.
And because this podcast, we have to give you guys information. We like to keep you on the cusp of breaking news. Now, remember I told you about sovereign citizens? You were all like, what the fuck is that, Jesus? I got a new thing for y'all. The Boogaloo Boys. Mero, you ever heard of this?
The Boogaloo Boys.
It is basically like incels and Reddit niggas, and they're waiting for a new civil war.
Wow.
And if you look at all these gun rallies and stuff, and like these Reopen America rallies, they use the little Pepe memes, and then they wear like Hawaiian flag shirts, and they call the next Civil War a boogaloo. And then like sometimes their symbols say they have like it says big and then there's an igloo because get it haha wah wah you get it 4chan shit. But yeah, you know, if you guys want to be interested and want to find out about some stuff, Google that, find out about that, and then next time you see one of these Reopen America rallies and you see someone in a Hawaiian shirt, you know what the fucking time it is. Remember, open your third eye, watch the enemy because they watching you. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
All right. You know what I'm saying? Listen, y'all got guns legally. We got guns illegally. Who you think gonna win?
Facts.
You know what I'm saying?
Your shit is watch traceable.
You know what I'm saying? You listen. The things that you would never do with your gun is the things I had to do to allegedly get mine. You know what I'm saying? You see the difference? Right? You see the difference?
Yeah. There was no filing involved in your purchase of your weapon.
Okay, they don't know about putting corrosive acid on a weapon to eat away at the. You know what? We're gonna stop right there and remind y'all to watch our Showtime show. Also, book dropping in September. You know what I'm saying?
Right, y'all.
You should check that shit out.
You know what I'm saying? Book drop, and we gonna be moving around as soon as it's safe to move around.
I remember that was the most horrifying. Like somebody, a very famous person, once came out to me in LA. It was like, when you were talking about cleaning guns with WD-40 with Taxstone, I was literally scared, and I was like, that's just regular shit, baby. You know what I'm saying? You gotta live how you live in the Bronx, baby.
Yo,
you know the fucking vibes. But in other news, it's been episode 2003. No, not 2003. Not 2003. 2003. Well, at the current rate that we're doing podcasts, we'll be at 2003 in December, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Checks out.
You know, yeah, bro. You did the math on that, bro. You know the fucking vibes,
Mental
bro.
Mental math
is the best type of math because then you don't have to waste no paper. Yo, been your boy Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket. Stay fat like Terrio. aka Pocket, stay fat like here we go.
Shit.
Someone that might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's, with a Rondo, 1994 en Nueva York, Mikhail going off the Juve boss, MC Luka Gunga P, putting up for 40 with your shorty, aka don't talk to me in the Uber pool, I don't know you. The original +1 down +1, so don't make a fuss on. Jesus Rossi, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine avocado toast, Young Pa, the ghost of Mufasa, Young Chakuni without the coonery. A.K.A. Chili Mon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. K-Lo-K. Two Phone Joe. Jesus Name Machina, J. Chuckle, Stanley Cuz, the human Dr. Bond, but that loot. Did not trap you, Mr. 240, Peacock like my Pinot Blurry. A DJ Woolite. Just a reminder, if you would like to see me and the Champagne Supernova compete in a Washed FM versus battle, let us know. Let us know. Because guess what? I got some dilated peoples for this guy.
Man, I will volley with my Planet Asia.
Oh, I see your Planet Asia, and I'll raise you some rhyme sayers, bro. Yeah. If you get any of these references, vote yes for Washfest. Yo, the Curry Goat, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Lean Dion. Grandnephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain no. The human meme, word to Ja, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Budcrest, I have no idea. I just had a stroke in the middle of that. And Nelson Bagdella, Sergio can't see me, Vladimir Boof, and the human world is melting in your mouth.
Yeah.
Ow! Sorry. Mr. Beckson Deckerton, the human Ricky Squabby. Greg Popovich. More says Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber. The juice suppressed, what your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush. No more couple noodles. The Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova Casanova. William 8 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, $1. We get a small change, give me Big Money Wayne. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mrs. Saga catch me at square one top left. True Rizzuto, holy cow. Mr. Star Park, cause all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sonny G. David Gurman, these Spencer, these Red Bottles, these Bloody Shoes, Smokeem Noah, Andrew Cool, Nanan, yeah. I'll kill you after gay sex, daddy. Yeah. Hey, the Junior, Energy God Junior, come sit down upon me, Charger. Sit down upon. We gotta make the wild emo version like, come sit down upon me, Charger. I'm at NYU and I am flunking. Oh, okay, we stop right there. You know, it's a good song. Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip is Sayasset. Shout out to the 11791. Why are you on the LIRR, my guy? You're not an essential worker. I feel like you should reopen America. But what the fuck, bro? Like, enough is enough. How long you gotta stay sitting inside our house? Like, I want some Taco Bell, bro.
Come on,
I want the Taco Bell. My favorite Taco Bell is one in Port Authority, and then me and Mero are gonna meet up at the Applebee's and get quesadillas. Like, why do you hate America, bro?
Bro, come on, bro. It's a good thing. Like your lemonade,
It's a good fucking thing, bro.
It's freedom,
bro. They you know, it's Bill Gates and George Soros. They're saying, you know, it's not our fucking God-given American rights to go get a quesadilla and a chalupa at Taco Bell. Like, what the fuck? Yeah,
I want some fucking fried dough.
Remember Taco Bell? Remember Taco Bell? Taco Bell? Their motto used to be "Run for the border."
Yeah, that's right.
Huh? And the liberals and the SJWs, the Super Jehovah's Witnesses, they got them out the paint. Okay? Tired of this shit. Okay?
It's enough of that garbage.
All right? I'm an American. All right? And I'm going to show you guys I'm a goddamn American. Because I'm going to go to this fucking protest. I got my fucking gun. I got my Confederate flag. I got my Nazi flag. And I'm going to show y'all, okay? That I love this fucking country. Yeah.
I love it.
I love it. Okay.
Except, you know, like all you other guys.
Listen, if America was a man, I'd make hot love to this man. Okay, that's how much I love this man. All right,
right in the butt.
Right in the butt. All right. Listen. If America was a man, I swallow his glizzy. God damn it. In the back of a tractor supply store. Somebody hit that problematic light. AK Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticket, because he'll scratch the fuck out of you. Woo. Oh, your man Dead-Eye D this morning, Sheriff. Oh, be ashamed if I came into this Target and stole an Instapot. Oh, wow. It's a 2-hour wait to get inside Target. And?
What?
Wait, I got to go all the way in the back of the park. Yo, y'all niggas is buck. This is why Bezos being a trillionaire. Like, why is it like this? I'm just trying to buy Q-tips.
Wow.
I'm just trying to buy Q-tips, my nigga.
What happened to curbside pickup?
Yeah. Yo, I believe I ordered like those things you put in corn so you can like eat the corn on the cob.
Yeah,
and
so
I was told that it's gonna be a 4-week wait, and like I feel like that's something I need right now. So is there any way I could Amazon Prime that right now or pay extra? Like
it's 80 degrees now.
Could you just get like an underpaid worker to like risk, you know, their life to get me my corn holders? Like
right now.
Thank you.
I'll pay you an
right
extra
now.
$12.
Yeah, I love that. The Black Asiatic, yo, been stopping that Street Easy with bad breeds that I'm easy. Please believe me. Shout out to Street Easy, who has added virtual walkthroughs for homes and 3D renderings for homes. Because, you know, walking through a 3D version of a home, like it's a safe house in GTA, is how you decide you will buy an apartment you are going to fucking live in. Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah. Nothing's better than, hey, do you want to lose 90% of your bank account right now? Here, walk through an Animal Crossing house. Yeah. Imagine where your sneakers will fit in that nook. Like, no. I'm like looking at it. I'm like, all right. Okay, this looks nice. I'll put my campfire over here and my boombox over there. Okay.
Oh yeah.
This is a great little townhouse in Harlem. Yeah.
Fuck out of here. I'll put my cat in the corner.
I like the virtual walkthroughs because it's just an apartment. I'm like, can you virtually render the niggas downstairs, please? Thank you. Please.
Virtually render the niggas on the stoop.
Please render the crackhead that will be on my doorstep that I'm going to have to get into a committed relationship with because I'm going to be annoyed with him being passed out every day until one day he's not there and I go to work and I'm really concerned. I'll be like, yo, y'all seen Otis? Anybody seen Otis?
No.
Oh, man. I got to tweet about him and shit on the show. They're like, we're like, yo, that's another edition of Desus Mero, yo, the brand is strong. Good night, yo. Yo, pray for Otis, yo. I miss you.
Yo.
That's my nigga, yo.
Hashtag find Otis.
Find Otis, yo. Cash App is like, yo, if you find Otis, you can get money. And people are just like, please, I need new Jeep. I need new brake pads for my Jeep. Cash App's like, you didn't find Otis.
You didn't find Otis, nigga, what the fuck?
Sorry.
Stipulations.
Read the rules, motherfucker. The Black Asian addict who crack your back like an automatic craftmatic, Mr. La Marina. Oh yeah, remember we were at La Marina earlier this episode?
No, yeah.
Yeah. Guess what, guys? That's called a callback in comedy. Yeah, eat a dick. Mr. Marina, Miss Marina, Fresh Miss Marina, and a cold demeanor. The sheet mask killer, illa, no one will be illa. The Black Zach Morris of Port Morris. Wow. Oh man, so good, bro. A lot of people don't know, bro. Yeah, I'm out here. Young KPI for all my marketing people. Take second best, put me to the test. Things on your chest, you need to confess. I will deliver, you know I am forgiver. Reach out and touch base. That's from my famous song, Personal Desus, as covered by Marilyn Manson. Be sure to check that out. It's really good. Came on my Peloton. I wilded out. You know what I'm saying? AKA Problematic Bay. It's not a secret family. If you sell them bootleg N95 masks and you tell them daddy loves you. Yeah, bro.
That's right.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, they're good. They're good, bro. They're good. Don't ask me why they smell like fabric softener. They're good, bro. I got them from Brooklyn.
They're right. I washed them.
They're right.
I found them in the Basurington.
And in this corner, coming to you live from East Tremont with a possible UTI under his foreskin, it is your boy,
the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the motherfucking human direct flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Lawrence, jump the curb. Hey, motherfucker, don't keep moving. Ask me fucking fuck. He ain't have a mask on, nigga. He ain't social distance. Goddamn. A.k.a. I don't fucking baby. I fucking man. A.k.a. no need to check the guest list. This is an IG live battle, bro. Nelly's about to play that Tim McGraw shit, bro. Let me get in my bag and cry, bruh. Chill. A.k.a. CC Dab Bathia, a.k.a. Tiger Backwood, smoking 5-gram blunt, and then hit you with this 9-iron. A.k.a. get into this money and this smoke, it's your boy Goldman Schmack. A.k.a. I made it snow last week, and then I made it barbecue weather for my birthday, so I could play and fucking run around the yard playing catch with these motherfucking kids outside while I'm smacked out of my mind because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Bitch Smack Biombo, a.k.a. D.A. You Maradona, a.k.a. Dick Ben Mutombo. You know, you cannot... I'm sorry, you cannot come in this pussy no more. Because of social distancing, I just have decided to quarantine myself. I have shown slight symptoms. And also, besides that point, I would like to point out that I respect your agency, my queen. And I would never, engage in any type of coitus unless you were the initiator and were very adamant about it. Thank you. A.k.a. Paulo's antenna so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. A.k.a. the Dominican Deckman Daddy, you know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Yo, I'm going to type my card again, dog. There's definitely money on it, dog. You know what I'm saying? I emailed this nigga today and I said deposit that shit. So don't make me embarrass you in front of the Genius Bar when they come up here and they ask for quick selfies and ask me how Heather and the kids are doing. You know what I'm saying? You like your little, at Mero's computer. He's had me for mad long. You like your job like that, motherfucker, Mr. MacBook? I had to put the fucking 1,000 pack of backwoods in the cart and let me check the fuck out. And I'm doing 2-day delivery. Suck my dick.
You tell him, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
You tell him, bro.
Right. I'm coming back to check the fucking tracking. I'm coming back to check the tracking status in 5 minutes. And if it's not shipped, I'm going to be tight. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm a fucking first world piece of shit. You know what I'm saying? And I don't care about other people.
Listen, bro, I respect it, bro. I respect it.
Okay. Wow. Romeo Santos. Tu favorito, mami. Oh my God, so tanny. Let me black out. Wow, what happened yesterday? Oh my God, is today Friday? Oh my God, is it Monday? I don't know. But I'm still eating these bajos as soon as they lift this band, nigga. What's good? Okay, light no Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? Thank God for this instance that we have social distance. So I can smoke this blunt to the fucking face. Nigga, get the fuck out of here. You know what I'm saying? I'm smoking that shit to the domicile. A.k.a. Tom Brady here, got my balls deflated, more deflated than Bobby Crafts. You know what I'm saying? I feel sorry for that man. He hasn't been able to get a table shower in months. You know what I'm saying? AKA feel the
Listen.
ass Tyson. You know what I'm saying? I want to explore your cosmos consensually, of course. You know what I'm saying? AKA little snoozy vert, first nigga to tap out on live. Been doing social distance before all this Rona shit. AKA Friano Messi, MVP of Gelato. AKA Zeniel Battlefield. I ain't gonna get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. This nigga got the black background.
Tory Black, legend in the game.
Niggas are Tory Black and blacks. We out here, gang.
Listen, she had to do an interview between two boxers. She asked the cameraman to go back in the van, and you know what happens.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? AKA, been busted. My hands are gifted. And I must say, Desus, I commend your taste in pornography because that is an amazing scene. You can almost see the cervix. I remember my first year in residency, I saw cervix for the first time. I was extremely aroused. Candy, get the strap. I'm going to put it in your couch. We getting freaky deaky tonight. AKA Alvin, your medicine cabinet, you know who the fuck it is, boy. It's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby Newport 245 niggas got garbage down the way, AKA Nino Brown, shut the Carter down until we sanitize this motherfucker. AKA live from outside MSG because he heard the NBA season might be starting. He's not sheltering in any motherfucking place. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your deep is fucking. And dope sick love, don't let me leave. You know what I'm saying? AKA, listen, mate, there's only 2 rock stars left on this planet, mate. The Bodega Boys, you know what I'm saying? I wish I had one. The plants ain't sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, not following social distancing rules. Cause I'm selling toilet paper to herbs from NYU.
I respect
you know
it, bro.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, mate, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get my pack anyway. I can, you know, mate. It's a real thing out here. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I met Mike Princess. I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause I'm not a jerk. You know what I'm saying? AKA playing NBA 2K in Portland, smoking legal. It's Barmelos Anthony.
3.
Bang! Oh, they're starting the season? Fuck. God damn. Yo, get me some of that piss cleaner shit from GNC. Hey, gay, if you see me on Target.com higher than a ladder match between 2 ostriches on Mars, approach me like a motherfucker Ursa mammal nigga because I may react radically and you won't like that. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey, whoa, kids, hey, it's me, it's Beto the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up at your kid's birthday party after it's over. and for my grand finale, I'll fall asleep and pee on myself. You're not getting your deposit back either. By the way, I'm going to count this in the car. My friend Mr. Fun from Entertain Your Kids, he's the best. He's really hands-on.
I mean, listen, a lot of you kids haven't been to school lately, and well, you know, you guys got graduations coming up, and I just want to say congrats to all the 2020 graduates. So if you have a graduation, come here. Just come up here and just come grab your diploma. It's inside my pants, so you know you're gonna have to dig that deep.
Hey, I got the car running, Mr. Fun. You want to get in the car? I got the deposit. We're all good to go. Let's go. Bye.
Don't forget to let me sign your yearbook.
Bye. Leave the yearbook. Bye, kids. Oh God, wipe the fingerprints off that thing. Okay. I saw Fake Lean's your favorite Southern Cal rapper. He's high off some whatever the fuck I use. Man, listen, I don't even know what's in my garage at this point, dog. This shit is mayhem. I have not bought cleaning products in eons, so you're getting a cocktail, dog. So expect some very esoteric rap, you know what I'm saying, in the future, if you could even call it that. You know what I'm saying? And right now, papi, it's time for you to put in your SAP button because it's going to go crazy right now. Oh, sorry, it's going to go wild, Silvestre, right now, my nigga. Hasan, tírame la fucking pista. Oye, ¿qué es lo que guau? Llegó el hijo de FIFA, coño. Baja el Chucky, Jason, Freddy, con pila cuarto y pan para prendilla. Dime a ver qué es lo que tú dices, mamá huevo. Ey, se siente calentón, coño. Llego. Tú sabes que en los bloques yo me muevo todos los bloques. Tú sabes, oye, Rano, yo sé que tú te quillas cuando tú estás en, oye, yo saco la manilla. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Showtime, shout out Cash Out, shout out Hasan y Cene que pone las fucking notas, shout out Desus bueno, las notas jamaiquinas, you know what I'm saying? A.K.A. shout out Víctor Marte, el papi de la lady, A.K.A. aceite de coco, A.K.A. shout out a los nenes de bodega, dale la más dura la planta eléctrica. Si lo digo otra vez, si tú te llamas Clay, dale por lo bien. Vicky la más loca que todo, A.K.A. piecito de miel, muerte para salir, coño. A.K.A. shout out mi presidente Pío, secretario de defensa, tipo con el fucking cañón, avísame que lo suelto. Pronta libertad a mi hermano Friki, ya no tengo que decirlo porque está libre mi hermano, que lo que Kentucky. Que descanse para mi hermanito Sexor, you know what I'm saying? Y que descanse para que es 5. Y quédate en la casa, lávate las manos, asqueroso. Y no le haga caso a este presidente. That is my PSA. Ese es mi anuncio. Thank you very much. Watch your hand and don't listen to the president. Listen to real doctor. Thank you very much.
What?
Episode 2 or 3.
Did you? Oh shit! Did you change your settings or something?
Yeah, I put a different setting. Yes.
Yeah. Like everything you just said came out in Spanish. Like, did you hit the? Did you hit the platinum button on the bottom of the screen? Is that?
Yeah.
You can't do that in the Zoom.
It's the new laptop.
You can't do that in the Zoom meeting, bro. Like,
it's the new laptop. I thought it was just. I thought it was just like a cool icon thing that like.
Bro, there's
around.
60 people in this meeting. No one understood what you just said right there. Like
wow.
It came out in like Espanol, I believe it's called.
Alright, but the remix is gonna be fire though.
You know what, Mero? Thank you. We've had a lot from you today, and you're a valued member of this team.
Check
we
out the
couldn't do
remix.
anything without you.
You know
what? I'm gonna mute you. I'm gonna mute you right now. Everybody else, please go to your email. There's a new PDF I just sent you that matches the PowerPoint. I'm going to.
It's the new joint. It's fire for the summertime. You know, what I'm
Mero,
saying?
excuse me. Mero, you're on. Mero, everyone on this Zoom call has a higher job in the company than you.
What?
And I like.
Oh yeah, not because I'm a creative. Like I'm just doing this to pay bills. Like I'm a creative. Like I have high.
Mero. Ooh,
like no offense to everybody in the room.
Mero. I'm sorry I have to do this, but
I just have like higher aspirations.
Mero,
you know what I'm saying?
Remember, my nigga, I want your SoundCloud. Your shit is whack. Your shit is whack. Okay. Tired of this shit. When we in the waiting room for the Zoom, you playing your SoundCloud. Everyone hates that shit. Everyone mutes you. Everyone mutes you.
You know what? They said Cuddy was whack.
Bro,
he's a genius.
My nigga, you have a song from the viewpoint of Toaster Strudel. Who the fuck wants to hear that?
Yeah, and it's called Glaze.
My nigga, you stole that from Kid Cudi. You stole that from Kid Cudi.
Nah.
You did.
It's fire.
Yo, boo him. Boo him. Actually, oh shit, our half an hour is up. Oh shit, we gotta get out the Zoom meeting. Oh shit.
Oh shit. Yo, bye.
Yo, as always, you know what it is. Been episode 203 of the world's most dangerous podcast and the most viral podcast and the Bodega Boys special birthday edition. You know the fucking vibes.
You know.
Shout out to my nigga Mero. Happy birthday, my compatriot. You know what I'm saying? You know the fucking vibe. We are out here.
Tonight.
You know what it is.
I'm feeling right.
Bodega Hive, stay safe, stay inside your house, wash your hands, and if you do go outside, do not put on Instagram so people can't shame you, and enjoy killing your grandma. So
also,
we out.
I just want to say something. I just want to let y'all know.
Yeah.
That on our birthday weekend, we gave y'all a gift. You know what I'm saying?
Do we create niggas?
We created.
We
y'all.
birth niggas. Wow.
We birth niggas. You know what
wow.
I'm saying?
Wow.
Go be mad at all the other podcasters because we out here delivering.
Wow. You really out here making niggas with your dick? Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, yo.
My son has cookies.
Hey, yo. Yeah, we out.
Holla.
Peace.